So in one of the last videos, I talked about doing a vlog with the cheapest camera I could find, which was a $100 like GoPro knockoff, the Lite, which is pretty good. But then I thought, why spend $100 on a camera when we already have cameras in our phones? Now this phone is really old, it's LG G4 and it came out in April of 2015, so that's 3.5 years now, but I thought, I wonder if there's apps so I could just vlog from my phone, because at least I always carry my phone with me, so how good can the quality be of just phone footage? I mean, we're all capable of this. So let's see how this 3.5-year-old phone can handle the YouTube compression.
We are on our way to Kat's house to do a special effects makeup shoot for Halloween / Christmas. And if you had to take a guess what it is, that's right, it's Nightmare Before Christmas. We're gonna do a Jack Skellington shoot with special effects makeup by Tabby. And yeah, I'm biking there because I'm running late and the bike path is closed. This is what it looks like. That's because we have this little flash set up right here. 3 gels on it. And flash is being triggered by this. So I control the settings without walking there every time. So apparently a hiker said there was another photographer / creepy makeup combo down the trail. So we might have to go say hi to them in a bit. Maybe we know them.
I'm having fun.
Getting bit a little bit?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Mosquitoes are always an issue.
See you back here.
I think that's not true.
Ooh. So this is the place where we shot the witches. Down in that little alleyway. Is it Lord? Lord! Lord!
Hi. You made a joke, and I was like, I wonder if we'll know them. We'll go down there and we'll know them.
That's cool too. What are you? The scenes is what we're dealing with, and this is where I literally am right now. I am balancing. Woo!
Okay, so the first thing we find is this thing called Adobe Clip. Adobe Premiere Clip. And in here we can click on our projects. And we just basically have a bunch of little mini clips. This was a really long clip. I'll show you how I shot it first. So I'm basically filming the bottom, the pedaling, and then filming this. Just one take. Instead of doing many takes, just one takes here and here, here. Anyway, so what you do over here is you just trim this for what you want it. It's really slow because I have a screen recorder on, but basically that's what it looks like. So then it just shows a little bit, then it cuts to the next one, then it cuts to the next one, cuts to the next one, cuts to the next one, and so on. And as you can see, there's a bunch of 1-second clips. I'm gonna have longer ones where I'm talking, obviously, and then look at that, it's all in the phone. So I tried to make this whole vlog just using this app. You can add music, I mean, but their songs are not the greatest. So the only thing I really did, whoa. The only thing I really did different was I added some songs in actual Adobe Premiere. And the cool thing is, if you have an account, if you click on the share button, save to the gallery, or if you could look at this, it says send to Premiere Pro CC, which means that it opens up the project in Adobe Premiere, which is, I think, pretty cool. You could directly share to YouTube if you really wanted to. I mean, it's still better than uploading just one continuous video, because that seems like very cell phone footage. But at least this way, you can shoot a long video with your phone, say maybe like 2-3 minutes, and then edit it into like a 30-second, way more polished mini video. And then, yeah, just upload it directly, and that way you could tell your stories more cinematically. I thought that was pretty cool. Anyhow, that's it for now. Now, the few things I did add in actual Adobe Premiere were an adjustment layer, like the grass is too green and it's too contrasty, so I made it a bit more pleasant. And also, obviously, the overlays of the pictures, which you can see right here. If anyone out there knows any apps that you can actually put overlays, say like either sound or picture overlays or text overlays in your phone, let me know in the comments. If you're wondering, if you have this phone right here, will it replace the camera? Well, not exactly, because this is the clip with the phone, and this is what the blog could have looked like with an actual camera. So don't worry, the phones are not replacing us yet.